Checking your account balance at TIBI Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the TIBI Bank website. Open your web browser and go to the official TIBI Bank website. Make sure you are on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Log into your account. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. If you don't have an account, you may need to register first. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Account Summary or Accounts tab in the main menu. Click on it to view a list of your accounts and the current balances. Step 4. Select your account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Review your balance. Your account balance will be prominently displayed on the account details page. Take note of the balance and any recent transactions if needed. Now you can easily check your account balance at TIBI Bank whenever you need to.